In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to securely find your Stripe secret key. This key is a crucial part of your Stripe account management, so handling it with care is essential for maintaining the integrity of your transaction processing. First, you'll need to access your Stripe dashboard. Begin by logging into your account at dashboard.stripe.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once logged in, pay attention to the mode you're currently viewing. You'll find the toggle for test data or live mode at the top left corner of your screen. This distinction is important because it determines which API keys you're working with, so make sure to choose the correct mode matching your intended use. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Developers section, specifically to API keys. Look at the left sidebar on your dashboard and locate the option labeled Developers. With a click, a submenu will expand. From this, select the tab marked API Keys. This is where you'll find the different keys associated with your account. Now, let's talk about revealing your secret key. If you're in test mode, you'll see an option labeled Reveal Test Key. Clicking this will display the key so you can view it whenever needed for testing purposes. Remember, these keys are intended solely for trial runs and simulations within your Stripe account. On the other hand, if you're operating in live mode, things get a bit more serious. Here, you'll choose the Reveal Live Key option. It's critical to note that Stripe only shows live secret keys once. Therefore, when you reveal it, you must copy it immediately and store it securely. Failing to do so might require you to regenerate the key, which could be inconvenient and possibly disruptive to your operations. To safely store this key, consider using a password manager or another secure method that ensures it's protected from unauthorized access. Always remember, handling these keys with the utmost security prevents fraudulent activities and safeguards sensitive customer information. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.